Are you tired of paying hefty monthly recurring fees for autoresponders only to receive a worthless service that doesn't even deliver your email properly on time? Does your account get locked by autoresponders? Do you waste plenty of your time figuring out the interface? If so, today I will show you a brand new email marketing software. You can send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts and also hit the primary inbox. Sounds cool, right? So I present to you ContinuumMail. So in this review, I will show you everything you need to know about this product, the pros and cons, the sales page. Also, I will take you inside the product to see how it's work. But before we start, if you see this channel for the first time, my name is Sad. I upload daily videos about affiliate marketing and product reviews. I am sure you will benefit a lot from those videos. So smash the subscribe button for more and let's get started. ContinuumMail is an AI-based email autoresponder that allows you to deliver unlimited emails to your subscribers. The best part is your emails always hit the primary inbox to your list, with no emails in the spam folder. So I will show you now some features of ContinuumMail. Cloud-based mobile responsive. Our powerful autoresponder is 100% hosted on our rocket solid cloud servers. It can be associated from anywhere including mobile devices. Drag and drop email templates editor. ContinuumMail comes with an advanced email templates builder as well as dozens of pre-built email templates and layouts. Embed subscription form to your own website. We support embedding a subscription form to collect subscribers from your campaign. Domain management. We verify your domain inside the tool with SPF and DMARC value, and you are all set to send those awesome money making emails to your customers. Pre-designed templates. It's become easy for you to ingest thousands of visitors with our creatively designed ready-to-use templates with drag and drop easy. List management. Unlimited list imports can be done inside the tool. Is it integrated with features that automatically add subscribers. Reports and analytics. All reports and statistics are available inside the software to help you analyze the click and opens and maximize your conversion. The marketing automation. All marketing efforts can be completely automated. Send emails at any hour, day or night and complete autopilot. And finally, autoresponder. Effortlessly integrate and stay connected with all your contacts with our powerful autoresponder features. So here in the sales page, it's never been easier to hit the inbox thanks to ContinuumMail. New for 2021, send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts and always hit the primary inbox for a one-time price of $17. Enjoy sky-high deliverability. We're getting plus 80% open rates, no SMTP required, unlimited imports, contact campaigns and broadcasts, proven to convert email templates and opt-in forms. Cloud-based app works on Windows and Mac, no monthly fees, no limits, 13 days money-back guarantee, world-class support. So there is 3 steps to use ContinuumMail. The first step is login. Click at the bottoms of this page to grab a copy of ContinuumMail and then log into the dashboard. Note: ContinuumMail is a web-based app and works on all devices including Windows, Mac, iPhone and even Android. The step number 2, select, choose a done-for-you email templates or construct your own using the drag and drop block style editor. And the step number 3, send. Simply select the contacts you want to send your emails to and hit the send button and enjoy your sales. No complex configurations or dealing with SMTP, just hit send and you're ready to rock and roll. So this is a small comparison between ContinuumMail, GetResponse, Aweber and MailChimp. Like you see, ContinuumMail have almost all features that the other companies have. Besides, there is some features you can find it just on ContinuumMail. And look for the price. There is a huge difference between ContinuumMail and the other companies. And almost all the other companies charge you a monthly fees. Unlike ContinuumMail is one-time pay, no monthly fees. So let's see ContinuumMail from inside. There is more than $4,597 worth of free bonuses. Bonus number 1. $10,000 buyers lead. You will get 10,000 buyers leads and you can mail to them. Imagine the power of promotion your effort to this 10,000 buyers, worth $997. Bonus number 2, generate more than $100,000 case study. Discover how to generate plus $100,000 with unique visitors. Build a list of thousands and make money without selling anything from 100% free traffic by legally stealing other people's content. Value $797. Bonus number 3, 80% discount on all the ETOs. You will get 80% discount on all the ETOs that we have. This bonus offers you an opportunity to save huge amounts of money. Value $897. The bonus number 4, premium graphics plus DeFi templates. Enable to create hot graphics even if you don't have any design skills. Build your landing pages and opt-in and page, social media channels, blog, Facebook ads, etc. It's come with pre-made templates that you can select and use. Value $1,197. Bonus number 5, 24 hours, 7 days a week world-class support. You're also going to get looked after by the best support team in the industry. So should you have any issues, help will be available 7 days a week, worth $997. So this is what you will get if you purchase ContinuumMail today. AI-based email marketing technology, 100% cloud-based technology, unlimited emails, unlimited contacts, schedule emails anytime in one click, automatic list management, stunning opt-in forms, ready-to-use templates, beginner-friendly built with part-timers in mind, unlimited emails with inbuilt HTMP, full automated 100% hand-free. Value of all this is $9,897 for limited time only. Grab it now for only $17 one-time pay, no monthly fees. Besides, you will have 13 days money-back guarantee if you face a problem on the product or you don't like it. So guys, if you want to purchase ContinuumMail, the link in the description below. You can use it to benefit from all these huge bonuses. And if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more reviews like this one, and see you on the next review.